Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and on popular demand. Here's your singles reading. Hope it works for you. Take what works for you, okay? This is a general reading, so it's not going to resonate with all of you, but take what works for you. Leave the rest. So let's begin. Ooh, Three of Pentacles. Maybe you're going to meet your love of your life, maybe in a group setting, maybe at work, maybe through friends. This is like, meeting somebody where there are more people, maybe today nowadays there's COVID and whatever happening, so maybe parties are not there, but could be through friends or through a network or through people. So this card just wanted to flip out, I don't know why, so I'll just keep it here. Maybe it has something to say for the rest of our reading. Let's begin our reading and see what new love is approaching you. So my angels, this is a reading for my Taurus gang, people who are not waiting for their exes, who don't want their exes, and are looking forward to something brand new in their life. So please give us some messages as to what they can expect. Thank you. So Taurus, welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here, for supporting me. And if you're new here, Taurus, if you enjoy this reading, do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Oh my God, wonderful. You are manifesting something fabulous for yourself, aren't you, Taurus? Magician. Or maybe somebody is manifesting you, I don't know. But there is something that you have to balance out in your life before reaching that level, I feel. You are taking some time out. Maybe you're healing from something, and then comes in this Tower, which is going to bring in the King of Pentacles, which is going to bring you that stability, happiness, long term that you've been wishing for. Let's see, let's clarify these cards and see who's coming your way. So Spirit, what's this Justice card all about for Taurus? What's this Justice card for Taurus? Alright, so Taurus, your blindfold is off. And if you've not been making a decision regarding something or somebody, I think you're making a decision. This could be a decision regarding a commitment. Either you are breaking off from somebody, because I have the Hierophant with the Justice card. So sometimes this could be making a decision to end a commitment, because right after that I see you healing. Something you are bringing back into balance in your life regarding a commitment by making a choice. Four of Swords, Spirit. Four of Swords. Yes, you have to make this decision, and you've been taking some time out to yourself to be able to make the right decision for yourself. Again, the Justice card is out again. So this could sometimes even mean a legal case or something, because twice to have the Justice card come out is kind of pushing me to that direction, to say there is something that you are wanting to. Yes, right now you may be thinking of your options as to what to do next, because now you are either having to make a decision. You are taking your time though. You have been, because I do see a sudden change coming into your life now with the Tower. So what's this Tower going to bring for Taurus, Spirit, in terms of love? All right, somebody's coming back into their mojo as the Queen of Wands. You're going to be charging ahead, looking hot and beautiful and sexy, and gaining all the victory that you've ever dreamt of. Suddenly from this energy, the minute you're making some decision about something, you are suddenly transforming your life, Taurus, to being the Queen of Wands and, being victorious. And this is going to happen suddenly, out of the blue. So, who's this King of Pentacles, Spirit? Who's this King of Pentacles for Taurus? King of Pentacles. Somebody who's been waiting for you for a long time, it seems, Taurus. Somebody who's been wanting to be the person who can love you, take care of you, who wants to balance things out with you. They want to heal you. They want to, you know, really give you everything that you want. The King of Pentacles is somebody who's a nurturer, who provides, who is the perfect spouse, I would say. They see you guys see each other in a very good light. Queen of Cups to the King of Pentacles. You see each other as almost like a Mills and Boone romance here. This is that tall, dark, and handsome, and here's the beautiful, sweet, petite, intuitive, feminine here. Somebody who's, I think, been waiting for you for a very long time. I think they've been overwhelmed with their emotions that they have for you. So, are they coming, Spirit, for Taurus? Are they approaching? Yes, you probably know this person, Taurus. This is almost like, or maybe this is your life going to absolutely change. You'll feel as if you have a new life. This is like judgment. This is all your good karma coming into play to find that partner that you've been waiting for. You've been manifesting this for a long time, haven't you? You've been dreaming of this kind of a person or a situation for a very long time. And yes, the Judgment card is here. The angels have blown their trumpet, but I do see you here having to make some kind of a decision, healing yourself, taking some time out, and it's only after that decision that things start kind of balancing out. And then there is that Tower moment which changes your life completely. One more, Spirit, for the Judgment card for Taurus. Yes. This is going to be solid. Whatever this new thing is coming your way, this is the kind of person who, slow and steady, is going to continue working on this connection. This is not a fly by night, I'm coming in small and then I'm going to disappear. No, this is 1 pentacle, then 2, then 3, then 4. I mean, this is the kind of person who's wanting to build on a connection, and maybe, this is like keeping it forever. This is only growth. So if this new person for Taurus, Spirit, yes, this person this will work out. This is going to work out. That's why the 3 of Pentacles was here. This is going to work out. That's what Spirit is trying to say. So if this person could say something to my Taurus, this new person coming towards Taurus, what would they say? I think they've been waiting for a very long time for Taurus. So that means they already know you. Let's get away together and disconnect from the world. See? This person has been waiting a very long time, Taurus. They've been waiting, and now they're saying, let's end all the past drama and let's just take off, just the 2 of us. Please get to know me again. I have changed. I didn't have the courage to tell you. This is not the person who's already told you. This is not a toxic past person who's created drama in your life. This is the person who hasn't even told you yet. But maybe you didn't see them that way earlier. Maybe this was just a friend who you never thought you will ever have a future with. But they're saying, hey, my feelings for you have changed now. I'm not the same person. I'm working through issues with my family. So Taurus, maybe they are also having to make some decisions before coming towards you, and maybe that's what the burden has been. It'll work out from what I feel, because the Judgment card is here and the angels are behind this as well. So whatever decisions have to be made here, Taurus, from what I feel, I think both of you maybe have to make some decisions in your life. And once those decisions are made, and a little period of time where you heal, that's when the tower is going to hit and your life's going to change. Okay? So that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.